My name is James Dalloway. I teach mathematics and further mathematics at Eastbourne. Within mathematics, we do pure mathematics, mechanics and statistics. And then within further mathematics, we do two core pure subjects, which consist of building on mathematics. And then we do further pure 1 and further pure 2 modules, which are optional. And they again build on the core pure. Maths and further maths are two separate subjects. They're both 4.5 hours each, and then on top of that you're expected to do the same amount of work outside the classroom as you do inside, so another 4.5 hours per subject on top. For mathematics, a GCSE of 6 is required for maths, and for further mathematics a GCSE of 7 is required. They are two separate subjects. If you're doing further maths, you are doing maths as well. In mathematics, we study topics like binomial distribution, partial fractions. We also look at how differentiation and integration work together, and we take trigonometry to a whole nother level. We go right in depth and look at inverse trigonometry and alternate forms as well. And then in further mathematics, we look at a lot of matrices and complex numbers. So looking at stuff that's within imaginary planes, and then we also look at quite difficult topics such as first order and second order differentials. So in terms of assessments, in class you'll have 5 key assessments in the first year and then 5 key assessments in the second year. In the second year you will have 2 mocks, and in the first you will have 1. At the end of the course you do 3 tests for mathematics, so that will be Maths paper 1, Maths paper 2 and Stats and Mechanics in 1 paper. And then for further mathematics there are 4 papers. They tend to happen much earlier on than the mathematics papers. So they are Core Pure 1, Core Pure 2 and then the Further Pure 1 and Further Pure 2. So in terms of equipment that's needed for mathematics, you will need one of these calculators, which is a ClassWiz FX991. They cost about £25 and they're absolutely essential because some of the questions in the stats paper require on these. They're also really useful because they solve stuff like quadratic equations, and they can also solve simultaneous equations. I myself used to be a student of this college, and I done maths, further maths and physics. I thoroughly enjoyed it here. The fact that we have an open campus here means I was able to go do stuff with my friends and still do my studies at the same time. The facilities here in terms of working are really useful because I was able to go sit, do all my work and then still come to class, go to workshops like maths workshop. I feel like I was really fully prepared to go to university. I done a degree in mathematics and then went on to do a PGCE in further education, which led me here. If you are thinking of committing yourself to a mathematics or further mathematics A-level, head over to the website for more information.